Welcome. It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Kids bored from quarantine steal 46 cars as part of social media challenge. A group of 19 juveniles, ranging in age from 9 to 16, have been accused of stealing nearly 50 cars worth more than $1 million from local dealerships over the last 2 months, according to North Carolina authorities. Since the suspects began stealing cars on March 17, authorities said at least 20 car heists were pulled off and are believed to be in connection with the minors. 18 of the thefts happened at dealerships in Winston-Salem, while an additional 2 dealerships were targeted just 15 minutes east in Kernersville. At least 14 dealerships were made victims in the crime spree. As a result of these crimes, 46 vehicles were reported as stolen in Winston-Salem, said a press release on Crime Stoppers of Winston-Salem, Forsyth County. The vehicles are currently worth about $1,138,718 of the almost 4 dozen cars. All but 6 have been recovered. The stolen cars, including Lexus, Audi, Volvo, Honda, Ford, Subaru, Toyota, and Chevrolet, came from at least 8 dealerships. The juveniles allegedly swiped keys for new cars or for vehicles serviced at the dealerships for the majority of the thefts. Numerous of the dealerships have been stuck more than once. Authorities have said they have tried, but have failed to obtain juvenile custody. The explanation for this is uncertain, but the Department of Public Safety in North Carolina confirmed it was attempting to minimize the number of minors detained in the coronavirus pandemic. Then the department said they used electronic monitoring. Detectives have sought and have so far been denied secure custody orders for the juveniles involved from the Forsyth County Department of Juvenile Justice, the release said. As of Friday, however, 4 of the children were taken into custody, and 3 others had minor charges that did not warrant an arrest, reports WFMY. Those children who escaped detention would most likely face some form of punishment. Also, parents could face consequences for the actions of their children, including fines, civil penalties, or jail. In addition, one suspect, 19-year-old Michael Stewart Binns, was charged with possessing a stolen vehicle in connection with the crime spree. He's being held at a detention center in Forsyth County. What role the authorities think Binns had played in the heists is unclear. Winston-Salem Police Department LT Amy Golden told Winston-Salem Journal that some of the juveniles are repeat offenders and have stolen multiple cars. Most likely, Golden said, many of them were going out for joyrides out of the boredom. North Carolina, which has 10,509 cases of coronavirus and 378 deaths, extended its orders for stay at home until May 8. Schools shuttered due to the outbreak, as well as retailers and other businesses. Capt. Stephen Tolley explained that the juvenile group may have told their friends how to steal their cars. Their early success definitely compounded the problem, Tolley said. These other kids were seeing them in a new car, and they were explaining how they got it. Local authorities are partnering with auto dealerships to help them improve building security and secure car keys from possible thefts. That's a bunch of automobiles and it's a bunch of gas. I'm hoping that we can make progress with this investigation to the point where we can stop this, Tolley said. Authorities are asking to contact the Winston-Salem Police Department at 336-773-7700 or Crime Stoppers at 336-727-2222 2800 for any information regarding this investigation.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.